Many traders think they already know about our business and yet they still haven't become millionaires. The truth is that most of us endless vacation in Bali and a secure retirement same clothes, but still out of reach. Hi guys, my name is Uche and I think I know exactly what you are missing. If you have never heard about multi-timeframe analysis, you are clearly lacking one crucial building block in your whole financial success. In this video, I will show you how to trade small price swings using macro scale perspective. No complex system or focusing indicators, just your trading terminal and different time frame. Watch this till the end and start trading like a pro today. Let's go. Alright guys, let's address how we perceive charts. We are looking at 1 minute time frame here. See the price movement? Doesn't it look like a complete cow? Why did the price reverse here? When we focus too closely, we miss the bigger picture. Let me fix that right now. Initiating multi-timeframe analysis, switching to 5 minute charts, completely different story here. And now we see key levels that were invisible before, explaining why price reversed at the exact point. Moving to hourly charts, different perspective entirely. We are seeing the market from bad eyes view now. We can go even bigger. Adding horizontal line on hourly, the highlights a support zone that recently broke. Let's analyze micro first, then zoom in. Here, price was regaining sideways. We have marked support, price tested 3 times before breaking down. The real action just started on hourly. There is also a resistance above. We could mark that too. Maybe even set broker alerts. Now we understand the context. Time to drill down the smaller time frame. On 5 minutes, same level appear. Watch how candles bounce from this support zone multiple times. Then the breakdown occur. Current situation, price just retested support from below and dropped again. Switching back to 1 minute charts, time to execute. Let's apply this method to new currency pair. Alright guys, I've got the hourly charts open and I'm already drawing my lines, spotting an all support zone where price is interacting, just marking it clearly. If we want, we can expand this into a proper zone by add another line slightly higher, keeping it clean, making sure to align with candle wicks for maximum accuracy. Now let's switch back to 1 minute time frame. Okay. Everything's becoming clear now. Quick situation breakdown before we enter. Price was moving right inside our zone but eventually break down. After the breakout, we saw a drop, then a retest. And now the asset is pushing toward a fresh peak. This is clear short opportunity, exactly what we are taking right now. Alright, I'm in the market and now I'm just waiting. I think you have already caught the main advantage of multi-timeframe approach. You start seeing the bigger pictures. Trading 1 minute candle is like walking in a city street. You have climbed the tallest scraper with binary color. This powerful tool is available on every platform. Any decent broker lets you draw the line. Use them. They are game changer. Notice I'm not using indicator or even local price action here. We are trading the big move but capturing smaller segment. First successful trade lock-in, switching charts for our next opportunities. Back to our original charts, interesting setup developing decide to short despite some potential long signals. I think it was the risk, especially since I'm entering with just a small percentage of my deposit. Alright, let's break down the setup. We have got a sharp bounce down from the zone highlight on the 1 hour charts. Switching to 5 minute charts, everything looks more expressive here, right? Personally, I think it's kind of beautiful. Okay, the 1 minute candles, everything lining up perfectly. The price dropped with strong momentum, so even a new candle popping up isn't likely to cause any trouble. Just waiting for the expiration to finish. By the way, guys, if you want more on this topic, check out my Telegram channel. You will find their free and personal consultation here. Link is in the descriptions. Yep, that trade went great. Now let's switch charts and jump back into the market. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explained might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and give you signals with 22% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. All right, going short again. On the higher time frame, the whole market rates today. We have got a breakout from the zone followed by a failed retest. This setup is practically begging us to go short. Let's zoom out and look at this on the bigger time frames, always more interesting. We have got a bounce of a level that's been holding for the day. This is the third touch and is likely to the end of another drop. Back to the 1 minute charts, and the setup is playing out perfectly. Just beautiful development. Just for fun, let me show you the daily chart. You can even see more here. So this is not super useful right now. We can highlight this line just to know where we are heading. On the 1 minute scale, that level is a way off. It's technically a support zone, but way too global to be relevant here. You won't even see it on this chart. I just wanted to show you what's out here. And here, another win here. So let me switch the pair. We are almost done for the day. All right, so let's set up to write things up. And our first long of the day. We have a breakout attempt that led to a bounce upward. That's mean grow, guys. No dubs here. We are working with a higher time frame and they are always more reliable. Don't forget that. This is clearly the last trade for the day. And I've shown you plenty. And I think it's fair to show you the reason behind my confidence. What do you think of this daily candle setup? Just above there is a very old key level, and that is exactly where we are headed. Let me highlight it for you so you know what I'm talking about. There was another level broken earlier and we could have traded the bounce of that too. Still blown away by this trading method, guys. Another profit on the balance, time to rise up the sessions. Alright guys, I'm sure you are as excited as I was when I first discovered this method. I literally couldn't wait to open my charts and start practicing. The ball is in your court now, time to take actions. Remember, I always got your back. Hit me on Telegram. We can analyze the market together and even trade as a team. The channel is packed with valuable content you won't want to miss. Definitely worth checking out. As always, show some love with a like and comment below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Catch you in the next video. Happy trading, guys. Take care.